Hello, and this time I'm going to actually teach you, I'm going to give you some tips on building Lego cars. So, tip number one, if you're going to have a minifigure in your car, make sure you always use these bricks to go on top of them, which sits on the side of your chassis. This is so your minifigure, for example, can sit like this in the car with their arm like that, because if you have a look, their arms aren't actually, they go out further than 2 blocks wide, which is how much space you have in a car. So always avoid using these, because if you have a look at that, the Lego minifigure will not fit there because his arm doesn't fit. And also, try not to use seats like this if possible, because it means your minifigure's head might try and go out the roof of your car and over the top of the windscreen, which makes it look strange. Only build it with seats in for the minifigures to sit on if you've specially made the design the height of the vehicle so the minifigure will fit in like this. Also, when you're building a car, with the headlight mount, if you don't have the normal headlight mounts, like these ones here, then never ever go for these. They will not fit. I'll just show you one of my Lego cars. Here. You have to really force it, but that means it pops off whenever you spin the wheels. So let's have another look at that. Moving the wheels. For starters, they don't move freely, then it just falls off. Also, when you're making the back of a car, make sure it doesn't jut out. This one, I made sure it didn't jut out. This is what it would look like if it did jut out. Just bear with me a minute. Something like that, which is totally unnecessary and it looks terrible. So before building a car, make sure you've got the back sorted. So they're the main tips, but there are some more, slightly more obvious ones, which I'm going to tell you just so it's easier. So, number one is when you have a car like this and you need to put the wheels on,